Suzuki fans, enjoy a piece of history. This is the 1982 Suzuki Katana 1000. Beautifully restored, true piece of history. You gotta love the Katana. What a run that it had from 1981. They're still being produced now. Katana, they were just brought back by Suzuki. They did go away for a few years, but now they are back. A lot of people want them. Let me know if you got any memories of them. Did you have one? Let's see it. Frank, a true piece of history here by
guys,
Suzuki. How you doing, Frank? Good to see you as always.
Good to see you again.
This one finally restored by your friends in California. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, another one of Nori's masterpieces with Scott and Mac, performing all the restoration duties. This is essentially a stock motorcycle, except for the Yoshimura exhaust system, 4-in-1. Yoshimura, obviously very popular in the day, but also popular now. And very clean, very simple design.
They've done an amazing job. Was this a difficult restoration?
You know, I think any restoration is, because you want to, if you're trying to be original or you're trying to do a resto mod, and this bike had a little bit of modification on the exhaust system, but the rest of it is completely all original Katana.
Let's take a look, guys. As we said before, 1982 Katana. Look at how clean it is. You know that some of you had these at the drag strip. Look at how clean this motor is. It is in true original clean condition, pristine, luminous. You know what really blows me away is the job that they've done bringing this aluminum back. The aluminum looks like chrome, doesn't it? Let's take a look at that aluminum, guys. Don't you all wish your aluminum shined like that? There must be a lot of hours spent buffing.
Polishing. Yeah, the 3 P's of aluminum, isn't it? But yeah, they just, a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of love, and as a result, they bring big money, and these did. All 8 motorcycles they brought to the show brought top dollar, so that was nice. Some even above top dollar.
Now, were these all barn finds, so to speak, or were these some of them just purchased off maybe an individual who knew what they had?
I think most of the time they purchase off of individuals, but sometimes they end up with the ability to be able to build a bike from, frames, motors, different parts lying around, and they usually lend themselves more to the resto mods, but most of these are bikes that maybe sat for a while and weren't operated, or the owner passed away, and you end up with them, and then take them to this level of restoration, which is pretty neat. Give them a second life.
If I put you on the spot here, what's your favorite bike that your friends restored over here?
Wow. I'd probably have to say the Kawasaki Mach 3, the 500.
Oh, there it is, guys. We'll give you a look at it.
1969.
That's the wheelie machine. Well, I certainly hope you guys are enjoying the coverage here on CycleDrag.com. Make sure you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe to CycleDrag on YouTube, and we'll show you much, much more. Big thanks to my friend Frank for giving me a tour of this incredible section.